Hello. In this video, we're going to go over applying the distance formula to 2 points. Let's go over that. So first, let's go over that we have an x1, a y1 as our first point, an x2, a y2 as our second point. When I am looking to find the distance formula, when we're looking to find that distance formula, our distance formula is just going to be the stack version of this. And remember, we always go from down to up when it comes to this, or up to down. It does not matter. I like to go down to up. Doesn't matter. So let's go over distance. So distance is equal to square root of y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. All right. And all we're going to do is plug and chug those values in there. So that's it. That's all we're going to do. First thing we're going to do is write down these first problems. So let's do number 1. The first point is 6, 4. And the second point is -5, -1. The first thing I'm going to do is stack them one on top of the other. And let's draw our arrow. Next, I'm going to write distance equals to the square root. And then we're just going to start plugging and chugging our formula that we have kind of established. So first we do apply the stack, which is go to the denominator, -1 minus 4. So we keep the x's and y's separate. We have -1 minus 4 squared, plus then the next side of the stack, -5 minus 6 squared. So we just take wherever we are in the stack, subtract to the other side of that stack. So bottom minus top, x's and y's are together, and that is it. That is all we have to do. Now we just have to clean it up. This will turn into -5 squared. This will turn into, okay, so -5 minus 6, this is -11 squared. And then we just keep going. So we see -5 squared is positive 25. Any negative number squared is always positive. 25 plus 11 squared, 121. We continue and we get square root of 146. That is the distance between the points 6, 4 and 5, -1. Let's do one more problem and call it a day. Let's lower this a little bit. I'll move it over here at least. Okay, so then on our next problem, we have 10, 1, 9, -4. Again, make sure we write distance, equal sign, square root, and stack bottom minus top, -4 minus 1 squared. Bottom minus top, 9 minus 10 squared. 9 minus 10 squared. We continue. Equals -5 squared plus, we see this will be -1 squared. We continue to simplify our problems. 25 plus 1. And we see that the answer to this is square root of 26. And thus the distance between the points 10, 1 and 9, -4 is square root of 26 units. We can put those into the calculator to get our decimal versions. However, most teachers, as well as when we move further in mathematics, we'd rather keep them in an exact form with square roots and simplified. Other than that, if there's another specific question you would like me to do with distance formula, please just send me an email. I'm always happy to make a video. Hope everyone has a great day.